Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video we are going to talk about if you should buy a 5G phone or wait for a couple of years before buying it. And in this particular video we are going to give you all the breakdown of the things who should consider buying a 4G phone or a 5G phone. So please watch this particular video till the end and let's get started. So guys, the types of people who are going to use their phones for about 2 to 3 years from now, maybe from 2021 to maybe something like 2023 or 4, those people should buy the 5G because 5G right now is only for the long-term users guys, and till now in India at least no bands are been launched of 5G etc, and we don't even know what spectrum it will be launched. So if you're planning to buy a phone now and use for a couple of years from now, then definitely you should consider buying a 5G phone. Also guys, right now the price of a 5G phone is around 2 to 3,000 expensive compared to the 4G part, and it will take around 2 to 3 years to get it developed and becomes like a major hit. And till these mid-range phones don't come up with 5G, I don't think so any carrier will start launching their carrier plans for the 5G spectrum. Also, one thing to be noted guys, the phones are going to be cheaper in the future, so if you're buying it right now, it is sort of, in my opinion, not worth it. You should at least wait for around 1 or 2 years before buying a 5G phone. Until and then, I think only the low-end market will be flooded with a 5G phone, so that time it might be a very good option to buy a 5G phone. Like I said earlier, only if you're planning to buy and use the phone for a very long time, like 2 to 3 years or 3 or 4 years, then only you all should consider buying a phone specifically with the 5G capabilities. Another deciding factor about the 5G phone is the price guys. I know right now the 5G phones are a bit sort of inexpensive, so right now you'll be getting a 5G phone maybe around a price bracket of 15 to 20,000. Again, in a couple of months these things is going to be changing and you'll be seeing a lot of 5G phones between the price bracket of 7 to 15,000. So keep that in mind while buying a 5G phone, because in the future you might get a cheaper alternative. Also the phone's prices might be hiking maybe in the future. One more thing to be noted guys is that we are going to get the sub 6 gigahertz bands 5G and not the millimeter wave 5G which is launched in US. So we are going to get anything less than the 5mm wave, and which will be sort of like an improved version of the 4G. So the version which we are going to get, it is the sub 6 gigs variant in India, won't be that powerful and might not meet up with your expectations of 5G. So please keep that also in your mind, but definitely it will be faster than a 4G network. Also, one more tip guys, while buying a cheap 5G phone, I don't think so it will be having all the bands. Like if you have the iPhone etc, they'll be supporting majority of the bands, but if you are going for a cheaper 5G phone which is priced under 20k, might be having a lesser number of bands. So guys, when companies they launch their 5G phone, carriers will definitely get a benefit for it, because for them it will be easier later in the future to directly come up with a 5G plans, because majority of the people after 1 or 2 years may have already adopted to the 5G network, and most of the phones which are available in India after 2 or 3 years might be a 5G phone. Indirectly, the carrier networks like Jio, Airtel etc, they are definitely going to get the benefits from the 5G phones which are sold in India indirectly. So guys, here is my verdict. The thing is, if you have the extra cash, it is worth buying a 5G only if you are planning to use it for maybe a couple of years, like 2 or 3 years. But if you are going to change your phone anyways after 1.5 years, there's no point in buying a phone specifically for the 5G capabilities, because we don't know which bands are coming in India, because the spectrum allocation is not done. So I hope you really like this particular video. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.